Hi, we're Derek and Jonathan.
And we're at the Hershey Park RV Show.
The Hershey Park RV Show is the largest RV show in the country, so we just had to check it out.
Every RV vendor you can think of was here at the show.
But we were here to get down to business. After spending 2 years on the road full-time, we're more committed to this lifestyle than ever. So, we decided it was time to upgrade our RV.
We didn't want to upgrade our truck, so we decided to stick with the travel trailer and narrowed our focus to 3 manufacturers:
Brinkley
Airstream
and Dutchmen Astoria, which is what we had at the time. Our first stop is Brinkley.
on the left, not the right.
On the left, over there. This is so nice, it's ridiculous.
Showpress. Hier is Mark Youtube RVs.
And you gotta buy it now. Look at this bedroom. Look at these amazing cabinets.
It's for Derek. His belts. Because what do you do right now?
I just throw them places.
And then what happens when you can't find them?
I freak out.
And who do you yell at?
Everyone.
Anyone in the vicinity of Derek is yelling. Look, alright. Lots of storage.
Lots of storage.
Washer dryer if you want it. Lots of dresser.
Lots of dressing.
This is the actual king, so the queen will have like nightstands. We're not doing that. This is the only issue with this RV is that this drawer has to be a whatever you don't want. So, same thing as the other side. Cool. Bed lifts.
It actually stays up? Oh my gosh. It stays up.
Look at all that room.
That's crazy.
So we can still put our luggage and the stuff we don't want in there. Here.
Look at all the room above my head to the ceiling. Like, I can almost extend my hand fully. That's crazy. Our current rig is like right here. Look at all these advanced connections. Very useful. All right, we're in the Airstream section. I've always said Airstreams are not for us, but I've never actually been in one, so today I'm going to test it out.
Not gonna work.
Not going to work.
Although it does feel spacious.
It does feel surprisingly spacious.
But like, look at the shower versus the bathroom.
There's 2 different rooms? Oh, you got to come out of the bathroom.
So like, if you ever come out of the shower and anyone else is in here, like that's it.
You need a mortgage for this one. Jesus Christ.
30?
No slides.
None of them slide.
We found the new Dutchmen Astoria. So these are the new versions of what we have. It's this one. This one looks backwards and huge. Look how big it is.
Look at that.
This is what we would want.
This is the same as the Brinkley.
All right, so this is the competitor. Got it. Okay, you first. Lucas, you might be able to do this. Good boy, buddy. This is surprisingly nice.
This is surprisingly nice. I agree.
I'm very, very, very impressed with this Dutchman layout. It's very similar to the Brinkley. All right, buddy, all right. You're supposed to be a service dog.
This is the cheaper version of Brinkley.
I mean,
There's a window behind the door. Behind the bed.
I do like that. I do like that.
And it does have
Blackout? The same ones we have.
the same ones we have.
Okay. Instead of a full closet, you get
You get
this
a
like...
bench. Compared to what we have now. See how wide it is?
It is wider,
do
but
have
it's
the-
still just an
It's
empty
just as deep.
bucket. I hate that. All right, I don't like that. I hate these upper things. They just slam shut. That's ridiculous. There's no mirror over here. So the other one I can extend my arm fully and keep do my.
Oh, really?
This one I can't.
I
So
didn't-
it's a
I
little
didn't
shorter,
see.
but it's still higher than what we have now.
Yeah. And can you walk through the door without ducking?
It's
Barely.
a little higher. It's a little more. Ours, I have to do this. Bed test. Oh, it stays. So like, look at this little table compared to the Brinkley. The table, nothing comes up. You just have a few drawers, which granted, more than we
Helps.
have now.
It is definitely more than what we have now. This is nice.
Honest opinion, I like that there are more windows in this RV.
The other one had a long, low window instead of two.
But then did it have this?
No.
then
This
it
whole
only
wall
had
is
two
closets. And then it only had two here. So there's more light coming into this room,
Which is something we like.
which is something.
Nothing can ever be perfect.
So, what did we choose? The Brinkley.
We liked it so much, we just got it. We've become big fans of this up-and-coming manufacturer. In fact, while we were in Indiana, we toured one of Brinkley's factories.
Through that experience, we saw firsthand just how much thought and care goes into every detail of their products.
From the high-quality materials to the innovative storage solutions, everything felt like it was designed by people who actually use RVs.
We got to walk the factory floor, meet some of the folks behind the scenes, and even talk to the team that helped design the model we ended up buying.
After this tour, we were sold.
We're at General RV. We just got here. It is nighttime already. We had a great day. And by great, I mean
The awning broke.
our awning on the on the trailer that we are turning in.
We're trading it in
tomorrow. Today, it broke. So we had to zip tie it together.
Very fancy, like.
Go 2 hours on the highway. Luckily, we made it here, no issues. Tonight, our goal is to take Pro Pride off, which is the hitch that we have been working with for the past 2 years.
It only took 6 hours to install.
We're gonna uninstall it, take it back with us, and then on Thursday, we'll be back here to pick up our new trailer.
We're super excited.
And then we have to install Pro Pride all over again.
That I'm not looking forward to.
Hey, if you haven't watched us do Pro Pride, go back to our first
The very
video.
first one.
You'll see how long and how fun that was,
We haven't thought about it since then.
other than minor maintenance.
So here we are, should be fun.
All right.
Update. We're doing pretty well so far.
Yeah.
We got the
Spring bars?
spring bars off, and next we lowered the yoke down here. This was up here initially. Now we're going to completely remove the yoke here, and then we should be able to just lift the hitch up. It should pop right off. I'm going to keep this whole assembly unit on the Stinger as we pull away. That is, in theory, how this is going to work. That's very cool.
That ball needs some grease.
Wow. Why don't you go wash your hands? Success! We've done it.
Did it?
We actually disassembled this whole thing. It took a little under 2 hours. It's not bad at all. Feel good. Now we just gotta put it back in the truck. Next couple days we're gonna clean it, and then we're gonna reinstall it. All right. See you in the new home.
Waiting at an RV dealership on trade-in day is a very specific kind of chaos.
You're technically homeless for the day, just sitting around with your stuff in limbo, hoping everything goes smoothly.
We spent the whole day in the General RV waiting room while the team transferred over our batteries and solar setup to the new Brinkley.
It took all day, but finally, they rolled our new rig out into the parking lot and parked it right next to our old one. All right, well, now we got to move into our new home. Here's our new Brinkley. It's never gonna look this clean or empty again.
It was a long day.
It was a long day. We've been here since 10:30. It is 5 o'clock, and we just now got possession of this thing.
Yes, so we gotta now move from one trailer to the other trailer. Also, we gotta install a Pro Pride hitch. We gotta eat dinner.
It's on its way.
I think that's it.
I think that's it. It's
So-
gonna be a long night.
So how do you move out of one RV and into another?
You literally carry everything, bin by bin, bag by bag, from one to the other, back and forth, over and over.
We kept going until the sun went down, and then some. It was exhausting.
This process is exhausting. Yeah, stuff everywhere. I mean, everywhere. Coming along. Slight change of plans here. As you can see, this is not our Pro Pride. We had some issues with the strap tech that we ordered to replace the weight distribution system of the Pro Pride. The Brinkley has this box here that doesn't allow the normal installation, so instead you have to get strap techs, and Amazon sent us two of the same sides. So we were not able to install anything last night. This morning we had to go and get this alternative, and so that's what we're working with today. And so today we're just going to drive very carefully without any anti-sway bars or weight distribution bars. This is it, the moment of truth, with this completely subpar hitch system with no sway control whatsoever. We are crazy. After a slow and stressful drive, we finally made it to Shenandoah, where we were able to order all the additional parts we needed to finish our Pro Pride install. We've actually made it during Hurricane Helene. We didn't flip over with no sway bars. Helene? I'm not sure. We didn't flip either way. So for now, I'm just gonna unhitch. This thing's got an auto leveling system. Very exciting.
Oh yeah, it's doing it.
So now we have these jack things that come down in the back that we've never had before. And they will automatically level the rig left to right. Oh, throw one this way, quick! Oh, damn, look at that!
We love our Brinkley and couldn't be happier with the choice we made.
Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can follow our adventures in Shenandoah National Park.
See you next time. Bye.
That wasn't great.
Bye.
Bye.